One thing we are watching very closely now, there is no rain falling. We got lots of sunshine, but there is an ice jam on the Milwaukee River, and again, flood stage at 11 feet, and we're above that. So this morning, again, we have some flooding concerns upstream in Saukville, and then eventually maybe downstream as well. Now, monitoring the river this morning is our Ann Sterling, and Ann, you're noticing some standing water out there. As you start to see some daylight, you starting to notice more flooding?
Yeah, there's definitely flooding. You can see it right behind me. The Milwaukee River is right over there. We are just off Pioneer Road. This is near Cedarburg, and this is the flooding you were talking about right here. Thin layer of ice on this water, very slippery in this area here. But yeah, this is the flooding that is affecting this area right now with the warm weather and all the rain that we've seen working together right now because there's an ice jam. That's what's creating the ice jam, and it's really causing some areas to be flooded, as you can see. The National Weather Service, in fact, says the flood stage is at 12.5 feet right now. Now, if the ice jam breaks up, flooding could pour into backyards. You were just talking about this, Brian, in Thiensville and also in Saukville. If the ice jam stays put, that rain or snow that you were talking about that we could see on Thursday, that could cause more flooding in this area. Now, before we arrived right here on Pioneer Road, again near Cedarburg, we were in the Saukville area. No roads flooded in that area. There were some concerns that there could be flooding already. No flooded roads in that area, at least from what we could see. Still dark outside when we were driving around in that area. But again, as you're saying, this is an area we are keeping an eye on right now with the weather we're potentially about to see and with that ice jam that is here in place in the Milwaukee River. Reporting live near Cedarburg, Ann Sterling, today's TMJ4.